Okay, so I'm going to do number 42. So this is the one I'm doing, okay? So make sure your books are open so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, otherwise, because you can't read this stuff anyway, so you have to have your books in front of you, okay? You're asked to find the equation of this tangent line that's in blue there, okay? So to find the equation of a line, what are the two things you need? What are the two things you need? Sorry? Sorry? A point. What else? If I give you 1 point, are you going to be able to get me an equation? What else do you need? Thank you. Okay? Now, slope is algebra 0. Calculus, you would call it?
Derivative.
Thank you. You'd call it the derivative. Okay, you'd call it the derivative. Okay? So that means that you got to differentiate y. So how do you differentiate ln x to the 3 halves? Get 1 over. Okay? I think we talked about this yesterday and even the day before. The derivative of ln stuff equals 1 over stuff times the derivative of stuff. So the stuff here is x to the 3 halves. What's the derivative of x to the 3 halves? 3 over 2. Okay, everybody there? And you don't need to simplify this because all you want is you want the slope of this line. You want its slope, m, at that particular point. So what you do is you take x equals 1 and you shove it in here and you shove it in there. So then the slope of the line is equal to x equals 1. 3 over 2. So you got a slope and a point. How do you find the equation of a line? That wouldn't be a good method. That would be a method, but not a good method. Medicine? Thank you. Sweet. Okay. So y minus 0 equals 3 over 2. X minus 1. Y equals 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2. Okay, you could do y equals mx plus b, but it's a little bit more work than if you did what medicine suggested. Okay, is everybody all right there? Okay, so the main thing is make sure you know how to do derivatives of ln functions, because that's the homework tonight. It's all derivatives of ln functions. Okay. One more problem and then we are done. Okay, I'm going to do number 60. Okay, so derivative of f prime. Actually, I better write this a little bit further. You know what? I think I'm going to do a newer snip. Okay, so this is the problem you're doing, okay, number 60. So f prime of x. Someone help me? F prime of x, 1 over stuff, yes, times what? Okay, derivative of stuff. Give me derivative of stuff. 1 nice, good job. 1/2. Wait a minute, 1/2 times the derivative of the inside. That'd be the derivative of this guy. 2x times 4 plus x squared to the minus 1/2. Let me pause here for a minute, make sure you guys caught up on this. Okay, so what I have is this stuff here. That stuff there is the derivative of this. 4 plus x squared to the negative 1/2.
And then you multiply it times the derivative of the inside.
Yes.
That's just chain rule, right?
Yes, that's multiple use of chain rule. two uses of chain rule, actually. All right, is everybody okay on that? Well, this is not the end of it. Now, we've done the calculus, and now from here on out, it's algebra. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this 2 and this 2. So then this becomes 1 over x plus square root of 4 plus x squared times 1 plus x. And I'm going to bring this guy, because it's got a negative exponent, I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to write it with a radical now. Okay, and then I'm going to work on the parentheses, on the stuff inside there. I'm going to put everything on a common denominator. And in order to do that, I get this times that, which is 4 plus x squared square root of plus x. And now you can see that this cancels with that. So your final answer is 1 over square root of 4 plus x squared. Okay? Is everybody caught up on that? Is everybody okay on this? Alright, that was it. It's time for you to work on LN problems, okay?